Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank for your attention. I'm Christiana, accompanied by Mr. Ricky Ismail, Mr. Supriyanto, and Mr. Jamari. We will present my topic research with a title, Effect of Rubber Deformation Along Sliding Contact on its Stress and Friction Force. We use a numerical investigation. This outline presentation. Number one is background, number two methodology, the result and discussion, and conclusion. And first we will explain about the background that rubber is a hyperelastic material and therefore it's easy to deform. In friction contact on the rubber material stress and friction force occurs on rubber material. Stress is related to the reliability of the rubber along its usage, and friction force is related to breaking capacity. In general, friction force is due to an adhesion or surface roughness degree and deformation effect. So the relationship between the degree or shape of deformation and the friction force is analyzed here. So focus of this research is analyze the rubber deformation due to sliding indentation, analyze the stress and friction force. We use rubber material filled styrene butadiene rubber with a strengthened by carbon black, and the input parameter along sliding is depth of sliding and surface roughness. Surface roughness is commonly represented by adhesion coefficient of friction. As the sliding contact simulation, this left side is the schematic model. This elastomer material or rubber material, and the top is rigid plate indenter. So, and right side is present the finite element meshing of initial model is before deformation. Is the result about the contour of rubber deformation along sliding is the direction of sliding to right. The left side is about the depth of sliding variation. 0 by 5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, and 2 millimeter. It's shown that the right side of the rubber surface is higher than left side. As for surface roughness of 0 by 5. On the right one is the variation of surface roughness. Dot line represent the smooth surface, dashed line represent the rough surface. It's shown that for rough surface, the deformation of the hand side higher than left side about the rubber surface contour, but for the smooth surface, it's so no difference between left side and right side. Is the stress pattern of the depth of sliding is the 0 by 5 millimeter depth like this, and finally is 2 millimeter depth of sliding like that. The deformation is so high degree and low degree. This is the variation of the roughness. Left one represent the smooth surface, right one represent the rough surface like this. As shown that the smooth surface, the contour of the rougher deformation is almost symmetric, but it's different for rough surface. And for rough surface, the stress is higher than smooth surface. It's shown the region of the von Mises stress. As the friction force long sliding in depth of sliding variation on left side and right side is surface roughness variation. It can be seen that the high depth of sliding will give high friction force. So high surface roughness, it also gives high friction force. As the deformation or hysteresis effect, that the friction force not only caused by roughness, but also by the deformation. So the deformation effect on friction force is called as hysteresis coefficient. It's shown that both the high depth of sliding will give the high hysteresis coefficient with a fluctuating value. Finally, my conclusion is that degree and contour of deformation are influenced by the depth of sliding and surface roughness. In smooth contact surface, the contour surface is the same height surface between frontward and backward of sliding direction. In rough contact surface, the contour surface deformation in frontward section is higher than backward section. High stress and friction force occur sliding depth and high surface. So the maximum stress of the rubber occurs in frontward section on sliding direction. So it's agreed to the experimental result. Yeah. And finally, the large depth of sliding friction force due to deformation predominates over the surface roughness. So the effect of deformation is more give more effect than the surface roughness. So it's my presentation like that. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.